Hey guys, it's your girl Kimmy bringing you a new experience. Hold on, I want to take a picture of where I'm at. Say hi, Jeff.
Hey everybody.
Okay, this is a poke bar. So I went in there and I tried this dish. Show you what it is. It's not a dish, it's a dessert actually. I've never heard of it before, but it's called a mochi. It's a frozen little ball, and this is mango, and it's got ice cream on the inside. So I'm just gonna try it with y'all. It's cold, and it's a strawberry one too I got for Jeffrey. And these are called mochi balls, and they're Japanese. I'm always trying something different. I hope I encourage you guys to try different stuff. So let's see how it is. She said it's cold. It is cold, so I'm just trying to see, can I bite it or what? Hold on. Okay. It's kind of like a gelatin texture on the outside and mango ice cream on the inside. And it's just enough to hit the spot. This costs $2.50.
You'll take your first left on the Oakney connector.
Look at it.
Turn left on the Oakney connector.
I want. Sorry, y'all. I wanted you to see the texture though. And my hand is freezing. Here, Jeff, taste the mango. I'm gonna let you taste it live. It's a mochi ball, Japanese. You got a piece of gum here. We just out and about, y'all. And when I see different restaurants or stuff, I'll just try, like,
Well,
you know.
Can you get that to your
Get it. You taste that one, and you finish that, and I'm gonna eat half of the strawberry. I want to taste it. What you think? Interesting, huh? It's kind of chewy. Say something.
one is cold, so I'm trying to get my
It's interesting, right? You finished it? Okay, now we're gonna try the strawberry. Hold on. And again, it's a mochi ball from the poke bar. It was actually a place that sells sushi, and they had dessert. So I said, well, let me try it. And I didn't see ice cream in there, so anyway, again, I'll just always bring y'all different little food finds. So I'm oh God, it's cold. That's the strawberry. It's interesting. It's sweet, but not too sweet. What you think?
That's interesting.
I'm gonna take one more bite and I'm gonna let Jeff try the strawberry. We're gonna let Jeff try the strawberry. Don't be scared, just take it. It hit the spot, y'all. Again, you get that from the poke bar.
Then, at the next one, turn right onto Virgil Langford Road.
I like the mango better, I think. But the strawberry kind of linger on your tongue too, so. I should have took a picture of it. I'm such a poor content person, y'all. I should have took a picture of it. But it's called mochi.
Right onto Virgil Langford Road.
What you say? Which one you like better? Hold on, y'all. It's cold, so he got to process it. And he's driving. Which one you like better? The lady told me she thought it was Japanese. Now I think she might have been of Spanish descent. I don't know, cause I'm like, if she had been Japanese, it seemed like she would have knew it. Somebody blew in it up.
I don't know if I can go or not.
We wasn't sure if we could turn. You know, sometimes you can't turn on red. But I guess we could because the person is blowing at us. So we better get to moving. Okay, Jeffrey, come on. What you think about that shoot now?
Oh yeah, for me, I like the strawberry.
Speak up.
I like the strawberry better, but it would be something. I need to get me one of them little, whatever you call it,
Mochi balls.
Yeah, I need to get me a slice of cake or something.
Oh, you rather have a slice of cake over
Yeah,
that?
but this freeze your teeth off. So
I liked it, and that's what was so surprising. I thought because she said it was frozen, it was going to be like I couldn't even bite it, but it's just the right room temperature to bite into it. Because I don't typically bite into too much, but if the texture of it was soft, kind of gooey, but yet firm, it was delicious. I did like it. I did. We're gonna give it 5 fingers up. A thumb up. So next time you're out and about, go to a poke bar and see if they have mochi. All right, people, we out. Bye.
bye, people.